All right, this is 10 apps for in 10 minutes for teachers of older math students. This is actually part B. And so number 6 is Math 247. Sometimes students just need help, especially in math. To me, math is a subject where if a student does not get a concept in class, they won't be able to practice with it for homework. Math 247 changes that. It's a site that has math tutorials from 4th grade up to the advanced concepts such as calculus. This would be a huge help for not only students but also the parents to have and to help them understand math work that's coming home these days. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 7, even though there's no number, is Algebingo. You have to make learning math fun. Math is the perfect subject to gamify, so why not play bingo while you do math? Algebingo is a bingo game app that was built by a teacher. You work your way through 13 levels with different bingo patterns. As you get higher in levels, the equations get more complex. Math needs fun. Algebingo helps you get there. It does cost 99 cents on the iOS App Store, but most students would spend that if you asked them to. What I have here is a review of Algebingo, and it'll get you to the site. Because it's an iOS app, it's not going to open straight from the video. Now number 8 is, and there should be a number, but there's not, virtual manipulatives. Now if a student needs help manipulating fractions, virtual manipulatives is the answer. Virtual manipulatives is a mobile app that allows the teacher to teach and help manipulating fractions. You can do things like see the equivalents very easy. This app is for use in the classroom as it needs some teacher direction with it. This is one of those apps that can be as simple as you want it or it can be as complex as you want it to be. It's also free, which could make it great. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. Now number 9 is, even though there should be a title slide here, a number slide, Desmos Graphing Calculator. Now we all remember the days when you had to have a graphing calculator for class. I remember my parents buying it for Christmas, and while it was not exciting, I understood the reasoning behind it. Desmos Graphing Calculator puts it online for free. No more paying $80 for a graphing calculator from Texas Instruments. You can use anything with a web browser. It opens up worlds of possibilities as far as making everything fair and even for students. The issue here, though, is that you'd have to be proactive when it would come to using on a test. Obviously, if you allow any device on a test, you'd have to have some rules to go with it. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. And then I'll be back. Number 10 is Sketchpad Explorer. Now I love math apps that give you visuals. Sketchpad Explorer is an awesome way to do that. Sketchpad Explorer allows you to manipulate mathematical shapes in a visual way. You can add and manipulate variables from almost any higher level math such as algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and even calculus. It's free, which makes it an awesome tool in the classroom. Now I'm going to open it up on the web. Feel free to stop, play with it, and get started straight from the video. And thanks for watching. You can find more on my Twitter feed at LD112265 or the website, which should come up on your device, but it's not coming up for me at school because it has the word dating in it, edtechspeeddating.com.